Is this full body Z Fold 7 case going to be worth it for the Z Fold 7? Let's find out. So first off, starting off on the back, you can see that you have a more textured back here, which is going to be great for grip, especially when you're on the phone or just holding your phone in general. There is also a lens protector piece here as well, which does pop out over those lenses. So if you drop your phone camera lens side down, it's going to hit that popped out piece right here first. Another great feature about this case is that there is a built-in kickstand with it. So there's a little kickstand piece here that you flip out. That's going to allow you to get your vertical viewing or even your horizontal viewing too. And then of course you can just flip up your phone and now you have full access. You got the full screen and you can just place it like this with the kickstand. Smooth when it comes to unfolding and folding in the phone. And then of course you have that hinge piece as well. So you have full hinge protection there. And then you also do get an included stylus. So if you want to use this when you're on your phone, pop that right out. There's a section for that too, which is nice. So you can just pop that back in. So you do have an included stylus and there is a holder for that on the side too. And then when it comes to the screen protection, you've got that full tempered glass screen protector. So that piece does just go right on the front and now you have full protection for your screen. Overall, this is pretty much a full set for the Z Fold 7 and I think I would definitely recommend it just because it has everything that you need. You've got full protection on both sides for the case. You've got the kickstand, so if you want to unfold your phone and use that, you can. And then the included stylus and the holder for it right here on the side. You know, this is just going to be great for daily use because there's so many ways you can use the case. And then of course it's going to protect your Z Fold 7 too.